91 days after being arrested by ED in a money laundering case, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal just minutes ago has been granted bail by the Rouse Avenue Court on a personal bond of 1 lakh rupees while declining the ED's request to stay the order for 48 hours. The court, however, has imposed certain conditions on the AAP leader before granting him relief, including that he will not try and hamper the investigation or influence witnesses. The AAP naturally now is saying Satyamev Jayate. That's what Atishi tweeted a while ago, saying truth can be troubled but not defeated. RP Singh, national spokesperson, continues with us along with Karan Verma. Ratan Sharda, author, joining us along with political analyst Sanjeev Kaushik. Ratan Sharda, Satyamev Jayate. Arvind Kejriwal is going to walk out.
See, getting a bail is one's privilege, but getting bail is not equal to being cleared of the case. So people, when they celebrate the bail as if they have been cleared by the law, that is the biggest joke on the people who believe that they have done something. Satyamev Jayate, if he had been, given clear chit, you could say Satyamev Jayate. But right now, what he has done, he's got a bail. A person who avoided visit to ED 9 times, not 1 or 2 times, over 6 to 7 months, today claims Satyamev Jayate. He was so sure he should have gone in the first place. And what is the reason for him to destroy 26 phones or SIMs? I don't even remember. I don't, track this case for long. But why did he destroy 26 SIMs or phones, whatever they were? And who can forget that dirty governance where you saw a gel boat from profit going to loss, water shortage over years, Yamuna which never got cleaned. So all these Satyamev Jayate, stories are actually just a cover for failure. Their friend is in jail for more than a year. And they say Satyamev Jayate, so Manish was responsible, are they saying?
Okay.
And why Arvind Kejriwal never signs any paper?
Okay, Sanjeev Kaushik.
He's the chief minister.
सत्य ये है कि सिर्फ बेल मिली है?
बेल मिली है तो जेल से बाहर ही आएंगे ना, जेल में रहेंगे तो नहीं है, ये बात भी तो सही है। जब बेल मिली है तो निश्चित तौर पे, और ये महत्वपूर्ण बात इसमें यह है कि निचली अदालत ने बेल दिया है। जो ऊपरी अदालत, ऊपर से ऊपरी अदालत कहां तक दोहराने की बात, लगातार आम आदमी पार्टी जो बात कहती चली आई वही बात सही सिद्ध हुई है। ये 4 लोगों को बैठा के उनसे एक तरह से आरोपी बना देना, उनके गवाह के आधार पर गिरफ्तार कर लेना, बिल्कुल ये निराधार। ये पूरे इस केस में ही शुरुआती दौर से ही आम आदमी पार्टी कहती चली आई कि न कोई मनी ट्रेल दिखाई दे रहा है, न कोई किसी पैसे की बरामदगी दिखाई दे रही है, आया पैसा खर्च हुआ। आप इन्होंने कहा इनके बारे में इस आधार पर गिरफ्तार कर, ये लगातार। और ये कोशिश थी, मैंने कहा कि ये कोशिश थी कि इससे पहले भी इलेक्शन के वक्त में डिस्टर्ब करने के लिए एक लगातार भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तरफ से कि हर एक उस समय में जब दिल्ली की जनता को अपने मुख्यमंत्री की जरूरत हो उस समय उनको जेल में डाल दो, दिल्ली की जनता से दूर कर दो। दिल्ली की जनता के लिए लगातार वो काम करने वाले आदमी।
एक बात, in fact, there were many arguments given against granting of bail, including where the ASG said, Kejriwal says my phone is sacrosanct, my password nahi dunga. We had to resort to the phone of Vinod Chauhan. He is sitting quiet. Many times it has happened. Accused will say, I will not give my password. An adverse inference has to be drawn from the fact that Kejriwal has refused to give his password. And yet all of these adverse circumstances, the court thought, despite this, bail should be given.
Yeah, there's no problem because court always says that bail first, jail next, right? And secondly, he says कि उनको जगह-जगह भगाया गया. Who asked you to go to Supreme Court and Supreme Court told you to go to local court, go to High Court? You ran every time to Supreme Court, trying to rule over the lower courts. That is the reason you took so much time. Supreme Court every time told you to go to the right court. You did not go. So what is the reason for that? You have played with people's sentiment. You have played with people. You have been slapped by the High Court for poor maintenance of schools. You have been slapped by courts for your horrible handling of the COVID. And he comes out says that smelling of roses. What do you think about that? And so you cannot, people will not forget that you every time went to higher court because you had no faith in the lower court. You wanted to jump the queue. Courts didn't allow you to jump the queue.
Kamruzaman Chaudhary, now comes the most difficult task for anyone who supports the Congress. What are you going to say? Satyamev Jayate या केजरीवाल को वापस जेल में डालो? आप ऐसे लेके मटका घूम रहे हैं कि केजरीवाल जो है पानी नहीं दे रहा, मटका फोड़ो. अब आप क्या बोलेंगे? गुड बैड?
नहीं, एक चीज देखिए पद्मजा, एक चीज देखिए, केजरीवाल को अंदर रखने का मकसद खत्म हो चुका है भारतीय जनता पार्टी को, इसलिए केजरीवाल बाहर आ गए।
Wait a second, are you saying that the lower court is guided by भारतीय जनता पार्टी?
मेरिट्स ऑफ द केस वो तो देखिए, आई एम नॉट जंपिंग इनटू एनी कंक्लूजन, आई एम टेलिंग यू द बेसिक फैक्ट्स ऑफ द केस दैट अपीयर्स टू मी एज ए लेमन। अब तो इलेक्शन खत्म हो चुका है, अब केजरीवाल को रखकर क्या करना है?
अरे पूरा
अब
इलेक्शन
झारखंड
तो वो
में आने
बाहर
वाला
थे,
इलेक्शन
पूरा
है,
इलेक्शन
तो
जेल में
हेमंत
थोड़ी ना
सोरेन को
थे।
अंदर पकड़ कर रखो अभी तक।
इलेक्शन में तो बाहर आए थे वो बेल पे।
नहीं, वो तो देखिए बेल मिला है। इलेक्शन नरेंद्र मोदी जी तो 6 महीना पहले से कैंपेन स्टार्ट कर दिए थे, लेकिन केजरीवाल को तो अंदर रख लिए। आपकी बारी है हेमंत सोरेन का। अब हेमंत सोरेन का बेल कब होगा इसका इंतजार हम लोग सब मिलकर करते हैं। लेकिन जो मैं तथ्य जो बता रहा हूं यहां पे, देखिए पद्मजा, he did not appear for the ED investigation 9 times, 10 times. He is a culprit. He must be arrested, put behind bars. Let me cite you another example of the Law Minister of West Bengal, Mr. Malay Ghatak. He was summoned by the ED for 12 times. He did not appear for any of the time. Why is he let free in Bengal out here?
Okay.
This is selective discrimination or victimization of particular leaders who suits the narrative of the Bharatiya Janata Party and the entire right-wing ecosystem. So there is always a point of suspicion, a doubt which will be questioned until and unless all these investigating agencies are let free to act as per the law,
Okay,
not
so
as per
if
direction
you are
from a
actually
particular
saying that it's a
political
witch hunt
party.
against Arvind
That's all
Kejriwal,
we
it
need
naturally
for.
follows that he's doing a great job in Delhi. Then it follows that you shouldn't be protesting against him on the streets of Delhi. You should leave that to the BJP. Karan Verma wanted to come in.
So after destroying 11 phones, causing a loss of 2,000 crores to the exchequer as per CAG, taking back his own policy because in his cabinet note he acceded to the fact that we've collected 37.5% less than what we expected. Arvind Kejriwal, who has been indicted by the Delhi High Court, saying, and I quote, prima facie he is involved in the commission of crime and concealment of proceeds of crime, both as a CM and as the convener. After that he's got bail, and these AAP supporters are going nuts, celebrating as if he has won the World Cup or conquered the world. So this is how low the level of AAP in terms of probity has reached, where bail is celebrated today, where even though you've been indicted time and again, and Delhi is bleeding from all corners in terms of there's a water crisis, there's a health crisis looming large, Yamuna is not clean, there is complete anarchy, but then AAP people are celebrating. Good luck to them. But let's understand this, Padmaja. Hell awaits him in the sense that people of Delhi are angry and livid with him. He's left them high and dry. There is a water crisis that's staring at people, that's only getting accentuated by the heat. So Kejriwal has some tough answers to give here also after coming
Okay, let's
out.
quickly listen into a few reactions because already the arrival of leaders at the AAP headquarters in Delhi, the celebrations, the firecrackers, the jubilation has started. Let's quickly listen into a few reactions.
दौर से गुजर रही है, संकट के दौर से गुजर रही है। एक ऐसे समय में जब देश के अंदर एक जनादेश आया है इस सरकार के खिलाफ, मौजूदा सरकार के खिलाफ, तो मुझे लगता है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल का ऐसे वक्त में बाहर आना लोकतंत्र को मजबूती देगा। बड़ी खबर है, हम सब लोग उत्साहित हैं इस खबर को सुन के, और मैं माननीय न्यायालय का जो फैसला आया है उसको सर झुका के नमन करता हूं। बहुत बड़ा फैसला उन्होंने दिया है।
But Ratan Shah, you think this is going to pump more enthusiasm into the opposition?
Well, elections are over. You see how Congress has started now differentiating with different roles of AAP. And AAP ke papa known to everybody. All this early, bail given to him, but not to Soren. People will also not forget that. Soren was also ex-chief minister. He resigned and he was not given a bail. And now he got a bail during elections. They thought they will get some profit out of it. Nothing happened. They lost very heavily. Even Congress people probably didn't vote for them. And AAP didn't for Congress. So alliance business is over. They lost in Punjab also. If there was a sympathy factor, if that was something that came out in a very, huge success for Arvind as a rallying point, why didn't work for the elections?
Okay. संजीव कौशिक जी, वो बाहर आए, कैंपेन किया, फिर भी दिल्ली में आपको एक शून्य ही मिला, तो अब इतना एंथुजियाज्म क्या है? मतलब ऐसा तो है नहीं कि आप वो बाहर बेल पे फिर से आ गए हैं तो कोई 7-0 की जगह 7 सीटें जीत जाएंगे।
देखिए पद्मजा, सच बात यह है कि वो बाहर आना भी क्या, जब सारी बातें खत्म हो गई थी, वो ऐन मौके पर वो नहीं थे। अभी यही पे बात हुई कि लगातार कैंपेन करने वाले तो 6 महीने पहले से लगातार कैंपेन कर रहे थे, मोदी जी लगे हुए थे। तो देखिए मूल बात यह है कि दिल्ली में केंद्र सरकार के नाक के नीचे एक ऐसी पार्टी सरकार में सत्ता में बनी हुई है जो पूरे हिंदुस्तान में पताका फहरा के आती है और दिल्ली में टाटा फिक्स हो जाती है। कोशिश यही है कि कोई एक कहानी गढ़े, कोई एक तरीका निकाले जिसमें से अरविंद केजरीवाल को पहले इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए। अब कल्पना कीजिए कि केजरीवाल इस्तीफा दिए होते तो क्या होता, ये सारी कहानी एक और नई कहानी आती। तो अरविंद केजरीवाल उन जीवट लोगों में से हैं कि दिल्ली की जनता के लिए लगातार तशस्सों पे खड़े रहेंगे। वो बाहर निकल रहे हैं, पूरे कार्यकर्ता के लिए जश्न का माहौल है, निश्चित तौर पर मोरल हाई है, और ये कहने में भी कोई गुरेज नहीं है कि इसका भी अंत होगा। जिस तरह के आरोप लगाए गए हैं इसकी भी कलई उतरेगी, भेद खुलेगी।
I love the use of the words moral. You know, it's always a moral high, a moral victory, a moral loss, but असलियत कुछ और होती है। आप moral high और moral victory से खुश रहते हैं। Completely out of time. Thanks very much all gentlemen for joining me. This obviously is going to be a big story when Arvind Kejriwal, now granted bail, is going to walk out very soon from jail. Quick break, news are up next.